Hello guys, it's me, Fortnite Boy 32, and today we're going to be watching Dude Perfect playing Fortnite with Ninja. Let's check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Overtime. It's good to be back. The show is decent.
And I'm sorry the captions are on.
I don't think we've ever said that.
I've said the fake mic thing.
I like it, and that's going on a shirt.
Thank you.
Tall guy, beard, twins, purple hoser. Dude Perfect in overtime. Tall guy, beard, twins, purple hoser. Now we're heading on to overtime.
I'd like to take a quick minute to give a special shout out to all the folks that joined us in the live studio audience. Thank you guys. Thank you. Good to have you. All right, so we've got a great show coming up for you guys today. 3 segments you already know and love. 1 brand new segment with a special guest that I would be willing to bet most of you have heard of. All right, anyways, I say we dive right into the very first segment of the show. Betcha. Woohoo! I've got a question for you guys. The betcha is, could you go sit in your car right now, lay on the horn for 30 consecutive minutes, and would the honker run out of honk? I'm saying it'll go the distance. It'll go 30.
No way. I'm going to say no way it lasts 30 minutes.
It's going the distance. You're on the honk train! All right! Nice! It feels good! Darren, I'd like to come join you, but I can't. The horn will last. Oh, welcome! There it is. Right. Honk train's full. It's fully loaded. Fail train. It's a lonely train.
It's a great train.
But that's the way he likes it. Let's head downstairs!
He's arrived. Hey, pop the hood. I want to see your honker.
No, I'm not going to expose my honker to you.
Why? Come on. Just give me a quick tap. I don't know how loud it is. Oh, this is going to be a long 30 minutes.
All right, quick update on the betcha board. Corey and Cody are up top with 1 betcha each. Me, Garrett, and Kobe are each looking for our first.
Didn't think there was a leaderboard.
Well, there is.
Okay? Because I would have actually put some thought into these.
Okay. I say we get to honking. When you hear the honker engage, you start the timer.
30-minute countdown.
This is borderline Mythbusters stuff right here.
This is our worst idea ever.
Now what do we do?
How much longer? Oh, wow.
No way!
You just went for 1 minute exactly.
The newer car has the minute shut off. Chad's
'97 Corolla.
we need your car. All right! Test subject number 2. Positioning. Official honking device.